What's up guys, it's SammyCheez here, back with another video. Now in today's video, I will be showing you how to update your Wii in 2020. First thing you want to do is go to Wii settings, and please note, if this does not work for you, the highest version is 4.3, and I think the letter on the end is what region you're in. But anyway, so it's on page 3, so if you go all the way over, Wii system update, you can still try to update and hit yes, I accept. It's going to test the connection, and this is the following message that will pop up if your Wii is already up to date. As you can see, it says there are no updates available for this Wii since it already has the most current system software. So you just go back to main menu, and basically that's all you have to do. So that's how you check to see if your Wii is up to date. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. If something did not work for you, leave a comment down below. Keep in mind you have to have internet to do this. And if you want to know how to have internet, leave a comment down below and I'll make a quick video on that too. And that will be released very soon. Anyway, see you guys later.